How to set up in business with AI in 2024 complete tutorial. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs. In this guide, we'll cover the essential steps to get your AI-powered business up and running. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify a business idea. First, identify a business idea that leverages AI. This could be anything from AI-driven marketing solutions, customer service chatbots, predictive analytics for businesses, to developing AI software or applications. Research the market demand and competition to ensure your idea is viable. Step 2. Learn the basics of AI. You don't need to be an expert, but understanding key concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing is crucial. There are many online courses and resources available to get you started. Step 3. Develop a business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan. This should include your business model, target audience, marketing strategy, revenue projections, and a timeline. A well-structured plan will guide your business development and attract potential investors. Step 4. Secure funding. Securing funding is essential. Explore various funding options like venture capital, angel investors, crowdfunding, or government grants specifically for AI innovations. Present your business plan effectively to potential investors to secure the necessary capital. Step 5. Build a skilled team. Your team should include AI experts, data scientists, software developers, and business strategists. Hiring the right talent is critical to the success of your AI venture. Step 6. Choose the right AI tools and platforms. Choose the right AI tools and platforms. There are numerous AI development platforms available, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and IBM Watson. Select tools that best suit your business needs and integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. Step 7. Develop your AI solution. Start with a prototype or minimum viable product (MVP). Use iterative development processes to refine your AI solution based on feedback and performance metrics. Step 8. Implement and test your AI solution. Implement and test your AI solution. Conduct thorough testing to ensure it meets your business requirements and provides value to your customers. Make necessary adjustments based on test results. Step 9. Launch your business. Create a buzz around your AI product or service through effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media, content marketing, and partnerships to reach your target audience. Step 10. Monitor and improve continuously. Finally, monitor and improve continuously. AI technology evolves rapidly, so stay updated with the latest advancements and continuously optimize your AI solution. Gather customer feedback and use it to enhance your offerings.